Whenever I start to edit new video, my brain got stuck. No clue at all, totally blank. I used to think creativity was a talent. You were either born with it or you were not. If you feel like you have zero creativity, this is actually good news. Here's the truth that nobody tells you. Most creative people aren't creative at all. Creativity isn't about originality. It's about combining old ideas and represent that in a new way. Let me show you. Steve Jobs didn't invent the phone or touchscreen or internet connections. He just combined them into the iPhone that fundamentally revolutionized smartphone industry. Even Einstein combined existing physics theories to come up with relativity. Every new idea is just a mashup or a remix of one or more previous ideas. In other words, it's called idea stacking. So how can you implement this? Step 1. Choose your inspiration wisely. Famous German writer Goethe said, "We are shaped and fashioned by what we love." Follow the video editors that add real values in your editing journey. Break down their edits and follow each and every editing style of them. If you think that this channel also adding that value, then please subscribe to my channel for more updates. Step 2. Absorb relentlessly. Read, watch, listen. Feed your brain with diverse knowledge. The more raw material you have, it's easier to connect the dots. But before you start with diverse ideas, you need to start creating even if it's something basic, because there is no point of consuming only and not to create anything of that. Step 3. Change the format. Same old ideas, new way of delivery. Story instead of tips, visual instead of text, short form instead of long form. Format change is equivalent to fresh perception. Step 4. Simplify, don't add more. Most people overthink creativity. Why not to remove extra points, fancy words, unnecessary edits, and the best part, clarity beats cleverness. So here is the basic rule of creativity. Never ask what should I create, ask what can I combine. Creativity isn't magic, it's pattern recognition plus remixing. You know the best part? You don't need to wait for inspiration. Just keep stacking ideas and look for overlaps. So my point is, you don't require talent, you just need a system that works. If you want to know more about generate ideas and make storyboarding, you can check this video to the right. And if you want to check how I turned that ideas and storyboarding to create an engaging reel, you can also check the second part, the left. Keep learning.